Welcome to this Tai Chi daily routine that you can do every morning to set yourself up, get your body moving and feel great. It's especially great for seniors and beginners. It's easy to follow. So welcome to my garden. We're going to start with our feet hip width apart, holding our chi ball. We're going to open that ball and inhale and close the ball, exhaling as the hands come in. Breathing in, opening the chest and opening the lungs, getting a good breath in and then breathing out, slow release of the breath. This time as the hands come in, we're going to sink the body weight down into that horse stance, keeping the posture tall by visualizing or lifting up through the crown. Let's extend and push the ball forwards. We're going to scoop round in a circular movement towards the body and again push that ball forwards, bring it to the chest and repeat our opening and the closing of the ball. I'm going to show you just from the side so you can see the movement. We're going forward, scooping the hands around towards the body and then pushing back out before we return the hands to hold the ball at the chest and then our opening and closing of the chi ball. And keep your breathing calm throughout this continuous and fluid movement. You want the breath to guide the rhythm of this movement. And we're going to repeat all that movement again, but this time adding a horse stance at the very end as we hold the ball, just like we did at the start with our opening and closing of the chi ball. Stepping out with your feet slightly wider than hip width as we come to the end of that movement, we're going to slide across to side bow and go into cloud hands. And this time, as a variation, we're going to have the palms facing outwards, and therefore we don't need to do the wave like we usually do. We just want this movement to be fluid, continuous, a flowing cloud hands, and visualize that we are pushing ourselves through the clouds, really engaging every part of the movement. This time, as we transfer the weight, I want you to peel the foot off that becomes empty so that we can step in as the hands swap, and then peel to step out, transferring the weight very deliberately and very intentionally. We're going to do that the opposite way with the footwork. So peeling this foot off, really slowing that footwork down. Work through every part of the foot as you're taking it off the floor and putting it down. Let's repeat that again. We're carrying on with our waving hands through clouds, but just keeping the footwork still for the time being and just enjoying that flowing movement. As we transfer the weight, we're going to add the footwork, so peeling the foot off to step in and peeling the other foot to step out, and then repeating that again a few times here. Settling back into our parallel stance and horse stance, we're just going to open and close the chi ball, and then we're going to return to our circular movement, pushing the ball. So arms are coming forwards. This time we're going to transfer the weight so we can step out as we push forwards into our bow stance. So just progressing this movement into a step, bringing it back into the middle, and we'll add our horse stance here, or just a small horse stance. Again, just feel your own flow, listen to your own body, and just make the movements gel together and melt together. We want to really be focusing on these moving hands and getting the weight transference and the movement of the arms in sync and in harmony together. Let's make this one our final one, bringing the ball back to the centre, holding the ball in front of the chest and breathing in, opening and breathing out, sinking into our horse stance. And then we are going to bring our feet together and bring the hands down by our sides. Palms facing up, float those arms out to the side and up to shoulder height, turning the hands and pressing down through the air, adding a knee bend. Breathing in as we're coming up and breathing out as we are coming down. And really feel that resistance, like we're pushing our hands through water. We need to really push that water out of the way. Transfer the weight into one foot so that we can add a single leg lift, and then as we bring the foot back down to the ground, you want to root ourselves into the floor so we've got our body weight right in between, distributed evenly between the 2 feet here. Then we can transfer it over to the other side and do single leg lift on the other foot rising. Let's hold it here in the middle and just repeat that, lifting up and bringing the hands down. And you can add a heel raise here. I actually haven't got the best shoes on, I've got sliders on, so I won't be adding the heel raise, but if you want to add that progression, you sure can, and it just adds that little bit more challenge for your strength. And returning again to add those alternating single leg lifts. Stepping out to parallel stance, and let's return to our opening and closing the chi ball, relaxing everything and just really focus your mind on your moving hands, focus your mind on your breath and just on enjoying the movement. Keeping the legs straight this time, just to focus again on that relaxation, just getting rid of any stress, any worry, any tension, and just relaxing into the movement. stepping the feet together and just repeating that opening and closing of the chi ball. This time, bringing the hands down and a big breath in as we lift them high and relax them all the way down the front of the body, exhaling as we go and bringing ourselves to a close. I hope you've enjoyed the session today. I love sharing Tai Chi and Qigong. I hope you're practicing regularly and feeling the benefits. Remember to subscribe, it really supports the channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye.